welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Suyo. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin soup. Remove all the seeds and don't throw it away, we're gonna use it. Pumpkin seed is really good source of protein. Put all the ingredients in the pot and pour water until the pumpkin is soft. Put some water in the sweet flour. Stir pumpkin seeds with salt. We don't need to use any oils. If you couldn't find sweet rice flour, it's okay to skip it. I totally forgot rice cake is an ingredient. Let's put some rice cake and put some stevia sweetener and 2 teaspoons of salt. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.